Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where screen recording is not working in the sniping tool, then please watch this video. So search for sniping tool and open the sniping tool. This is the record button. Are you using this one? Or better, just press Windows plus Shift plus R to open the recorder. Okay. Select this part which you wish to record. Click on Start. Give it access. It will start in 3 seconds. Once the recording is completed, click on this symbol here. So this is how the recording works, and if it doesn't work, then search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow, go to app settings, scroll down, select terminate. Now click on repair here. Wait till you get a tick mark. Then click on reset and click on reset once again till you get a tick mark. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.